Hi everyone, welcome to onlinellcguide.com. Are you in Alaska and you want to start an LLC, or you are just thinking about forming an LLC in Alaska? Have a look at this page. It's a complete guide how to do it. Alaska is one of the only 9 US states with no state income tax. Here you have the full details, the key details, for example, $250 for the state filing fee, everything you need to know before filing in Alaska. If you go down, you can see the step-by-step guide, very clear. Then all the formation costs required, optional 1-year cost estimate, then about the taxes for the LLC in Alaska, what you can expect, the report requirements. And so to get this done smoothly, our topic is Northwest Registered Agent. To us, they are the best option to form your Alaska LLC. Their service is, for example, only $39, and they include the registered agent service free for the first year. This gives you a professional Alaskan address, and it keeps your personal information also private. So feel free to scroll down the page, read the full step-by-step, all the details. If you are already ready to form your LLC right now, just click on this green button right here that says Get Northwest for $39. It will bring you to the Northwest page, and they will handle the rest. It's very easy, very smooth. If you're curious why we choose Northwest consistently, there's a separate page. When you click here, Compare Services, it will take you to a full explanation. You can also click the link below the video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your LLC in Alaska. It's very exciting, and I'll see you in the next guide. Bye.